guys, it's your favorite giraffe, Alfie, and today we're going to the bank. Today, we're going to talk about a savings account. Deposits go into your savings account.
Woohoo!
You never want to withdraw from your savings account. You only want to withdraw from your checking account. Your savings account is only for saving. You want to buy a car? You want to buy a house? You want to buy coconuts? Then you have to deposit into your savings account.
Okay, let's go, baby!
Without money in your savings account, then you can't buy anything.
What?
You can't buy toys. You can't buy games. You can't buy a house. And most of all, you can't buy coconuts.
Oh, come on!
This is why it's so important that you deposit into your savings account more than you withdraw from your savings account.
You smart. You very smart.
You may be charged a fee for taking money out of your savings.
Huh?
If you withdraw too much, then you will overdraft your savings account.
Wait, what?
An overdraft is when you withdraw too much and you do not have enough money in your bank account.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me!
You want to develop good habits of always building your savings account so that you can have money to use for a rainy day. When you build up your savings account, you're building up your wealth. You also gain something called interest on your savings account, multiplying your money.
I'm rich.
Interest is extra money given to you based on the money already in your savings account. It can be 1%, 4%, or more. And it's given to you by the bank, and it's free.
Yahoo!
No one can withdraw from your savings account if they're not a joint on your savings account. A joint is another person that is placed on your bank account. A joint can withdraw from your bank account just like you can. But be very careful. Always know the joint on your account because they can steal your money. Always place more money into your savings account and just enough in your checking account so that you can build your wealth. Do not overly spend your money and only buy necessary things to save money. Now let's go to the bank and open a savings account.
Hello there. My name is Leo, and welcome to Animal Bank. How can I assist you?
Hi there. My name is Alfie. I want to open a savings account.
And you have come to the right place. I first need your ID.
Here you go.
This is your identification card. It has all your personal information on it. Don't lose this, because then someone can steal your identity. Now let me make your new savings account number.
So excited!
Here is your new account number. When you go to the bank, you will tell the teller your bank account number so that they can bring up your account. Always put money in your savings account. That way, you can buy a house, you can buy a car, and most of all, you can buy coconuts.
Woo!
But remember, be careful with your new savings account and do not give your account number to anyone, because if you do, then they can steal your money.
Wow, I learned so much today. Now that I have my first bank account, I can deposit my money, I can withdraw my money, and most of all, I can save my money to buy toys, buy games, and most of all, buy coconuts.
Woo!
And thanks for my new savings account. I'll see you next time, Leo.
I'll see you next time, Alfie.
Wow, what an adventure that we had today. Today, we opened our first savings account.
Yeah!
When Mommy and Daddy give you money, put it into your savings account. And remember, your money is safer in the bank than keeping it in your pocket. Only withdraw what you need. You don't want to lose any extra money.
Not you again!
If you want to learn more about the bank, subscribe to our channel and tell us in the comments what animal you would like to see next. Join us next time as we go back to the bank. Let's go, guys!
Ay, tú sabes, mami. Ja, vamos para allá, vamos para allá. Yeah. Ay, no quiero más problemas, quiero más fiesta.